Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 26 June 2025. Economic Outlook. PLI Investment Surge. PLI schemes draw 1.76 lakh rupees crore, create 1.2 million jobs by March 2025. NH Toll Pass Impact. New 3,000 rupee annual pass may cut toll collections by up to 8%. Resilient Economic Activity. RBI says Indian economy remains resilient amid global uncertainty and flux. Legal developments. IBC amendments approved. IBC reforms finalized after PMO nod, aimed at faster resolution timelines. Lawyer summons criticized. SC objects to probe agencies summoning lawyers over advice to clients. Banking and finance. NPCI profit jumps 42%. NPCI net profit hits 1,552 crore rupees in FY25, revenue grows 19% YoY. Digi lenders slow down. Digital lenders face growth dip due to rising defaults, cost, regulations. FAS tags expansion plan. Government plans using FAS tags for EV charging, parking and insurance payments. Are GST reversal likely? Karnataka may overturn GST exemption for Namma Yatri services. Toll reimbursement idea. Ratings agencies suggest toll operator compensation for NH pass losses. Corporate finance. Tatasya infuse 9.6 thousand rupee CR. Tata, Singapore Airlines invested 9,558 crore rupees into Air India in FY25. Quality Walls acquisition. Unilever's Magnum acquires 61.9% of Quality Walls for undisclosed sum. JAL attracts 6 bidders. Adani, Vedant among 6 firms vying for Detladin JAL, dues 57,000 rupee CR. Adani Reliance fuel deal. Adani, Reliance to cross-sell CNG and fuel at select outlets nationwide. JSW seeks SC review. JSW Steel files plea challenging SC verdict on Bhushan Power deal. Edelweiss to exit solar JV. Edelweiss eyes exit from 1.2 gigawatts solar JV with NG, mandates Stanchart. International affairs. BRICS critiques Iran strikes. BRICS condemns Iran attacks but avoids naming Israel or US in remarks. Quad meet focus. Next week's Quad summit to address West Asia and Pahalgam attacks. Tax and compliances. GST rate cut demanded. Firms push for rationalized GST slabs, especially in health and finance. Cooking oil pack reform. Industry urges mandatory liter-based packing to reduce pricing confusion. Investments and finance. Royal Orchard expansion. Hotel chain to triple properties to 300 by FY30, targets 20,000 rooms. Raymond Realty Board revamp. 4 independent directors added ahead of Raymond Realty's demerger. Ferrari builds racing yacht. Ferrari unveils yacht to pilot marine tech for auto, motorsport ventures. Tata Play loss widens. Tata Play reports 529 crore rupees loss in FY25 amid higher content costs. Namma Yatri growth plan. Namma Yatri EBITDA positive in Bangalore, expands driver profit fund. Financial markets. Sensex jumps 700 points. Sensex closes at 82,755.5, Nifty climbs 200.4 to settle at 25,244.8. Gold dips slightly. Gold slips 106 rupee to 96,768 rupees per 10 grams as dollar strength curbs metal appeal. Sambhav Steel IPO opens. IPO worth 540 crore rupees launched with 77 rupees to 82 rupees band in 21.64 XPE cap. Brent stays flat. Brent crude remains steady at $66.90 per BBL due to weak demand and oversupply. Sambhav faces risks.